Get ready to be amazed because this you won't believe what stumbled is officially taking over the internet. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the design is pure genius. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes TWOTWINSTYLE so unique compared to ordinary items is that it solves an annoying problem. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before the price goes back up. Get ready to be amazed because this you won't believe what stumbled is officially taking over.